what if I tell you the only way or the easiest way to make money on YouTube is just sharing what or doing what you want and you still make money on it? I think it may sound very tedious, but that's the case. You can make money on YouTube doing whatever you want, and that's the most easiest way to go. Let's say if you are having like a day that or every day you spend about 2 to 3 hours doing something remotely, then you can make money on YouTube doing the same thing online. That means you can just like always record yourself doing that particular task and upload it to YouTube, and you make money out of it. Let's say you are a carpenter. So you are already a carpenter and you are doing that particular work, and you can be recording yourself doing that particular work and upload it to YouTube. And there are some particular people who are also ready to learn carpentry, so they are going to just watch your videos to also learn on how to like become a carpenter, how to fix like wood and how to fix chairs and other things. And you're going to make money on it because YouTube is going to pay you for uploading videos on it to help people to also like improve on their lives. And let's also say you are a student and you want to make money. Now you are a student and you're a student like they read always, and you can be recording yourself like reading all the time. Like let's say your like reading schedule, you can be sharing with like other people. If you are going to read this particular subject, you just like upload this like the way you learn that particular subject into YouTube, and you're going to be paid for that. This one like this, you are doing the hobbies or the things that you want, but still you get paid for that, and it's very easier. Let's say you are also like you like playing games. So you like playing games, you can be recording a tutorial showing people how to play that particular game that you always play, and you are going to like people are going to develop interest in it, and they are going to be watching it, and you're going to be paid by YouTube. That means everything that you do offline, you can use it, like you can make money on it, uploading it to YouTube, and it's actually 100% free. And the reason for doing this is that like you're not going to lose anything, because at first sight you were not like actually making money doing it. So uploading it to YouTube, you're not also going to like lose anything out of that. It's actually easier. So actually like I'm having a phone call, but it's disturbing me, but it's also far, so I can't leave it. So I think it will just end within the shortest possible time. So you just need to pardon me for the background noise. That's it. So let's say any task that you are doing offline, you can just monetize it online, and you're going to make money on it. And YouTube is a platform where you can just come in and pull particular people and use it as a money making tool. So like YouTube is a digital real estate. That means you can make money on it like the same way that you can make money selling the land or selling houses or renting houses out. It's also the same way. Let's say if you are like a real estate agent, you can be filming yourself, showing people how you always deal with your client. You can be like showing people how you always deal with your client anytime that they want to buy a land from you. And people are interested in also like entering into that space. They are going to be watching your videos to be learning from you to also implement it, to also use the same method to grow their businesses. And let's say you are a businessman who is like you are having a store. Let's say you are having a store, and that particular store you sell a specific product, or you're having a store and all the time like people always come to your store to buy things from it. You can be filming it, how people always come to your store, how you interact with them before selling the things to them. That's like marketing. You are showing people how they can be able to market their product, or how to deal with their customers, and you are making money out of it. But the good side of it is that you are just doing what you want, still you make money out of it. And it's also like it's very, very easy to do that and make money out of it. So the next thing, like let's say to make money on YouTube, is very simple. Let's say every day you always wake up in the morning, you dress up your bed, you paste your teeth and wash your face. You can be showing people how you always also do the same thing, and you're going to make money out of it. So nothing is limited on YouTube. You can do whatever you want on YouTube and still make money out of it. It's like the opportunities are unlimited. And let's say you are having a particular like let's say you are having a particular perfume that you always use. You can be showing people how you always use it, the good side of using that particular product, and the bad side of using it. Just give a review of the product, and you are going to be like making money on it. But it always it will take time for you to make money on it. Everything that you just need to do is take it as a long time game, and you're going to make money out of it. So everything is just about time on YouTube and doing whatever you want, and you're going to make money on it. You can see actually I'm sweating, guys. The weather is not favoring me, so I'm actually sweating. And by the way, use this moment to like this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel to help you. Like, this channel is purposely to help you make money online, grow your business, and live a better life. And more to the point, if this video helped you and you have watched it to this part, thank you for watching. And all what I always tell my viewers is that take action after watching this video. Start to create your own YouTube channel and start to upload your daily routines on it, and you're going to make money on it. You don't know where your luck is going to be found. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.